They have been waiting for car repairs for many months. One customer says enough is enough. He wants his car back now. News 4 Tucson, Sam Salzuedo has an update to that investigation.
We've been following up on delays at a local collision shop. One customer gave the owner an ultimatum, and we're there to see what happened when the job still wasn't done.
I'm here to pick it up. I've been waiting over a year and a half for it.
Mark Deal gave the shop owner a deadline. Finished or not, he was going to load his 1964 Barracuda on a trailer and drive it home.
I've given you plenty time.
Restorations
I understand,
take a lot of time.
But you told me 3 months, right?
Earlier this year, two other customers also told the News 4 Tucson investigators about their complaints. They both brought cars to the shop last year.
He tells me I need 4 more weeks. I need 4 more weeks on the car. I don't know if he has any more excuses.
This is not a job for him. I think it's ridiculous.
Last January, Ramon Valencia's shop, Gearhead Motorworks, burned to the ground. He moved to a shop on Euclid near 22nd Street and renamed it Gearhead Auto Works. Ike Dent's car is featured on the Gearhead website.
Looking at it from the naked eye, it is really bad.
He's upset his vehicle is being used to make the shop look good.
People telling me they're seeing it all over the place, and I said, man, this is frustrating. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. You know, because I hardly ever see it because it's covered up in my garage.
Valencia says an underqualified employee burned through the paint on a return visit. Valencia offered to fix the problem, but Dent doesn't trust him anymore.
It's in 1,000 pieces, man. It's not even ready. It's not even close. It's not even close.
Deal says Gearhead made progress on his Barracuda. Valencia says restorations take months and months, and he kept losing employees.
I wouldn't recommend him to do anything. You know, I just don't approve of his work. And it's always an excuse.
After Deal took his car, Valencia showed the progress on the other vehicles. He says Rivero's Honda is just missing a few cosmetic pieces that have been ordered. Torres Toyota is mostly done, but he needs to finish the door, window, and windshield. He said that should take only about 1 more week. Valencia still did not want to talk on camera, but he answered questions and showed me a shop. He says he plans on taking the cars to an independent third party to inspect and make sure they're done correctly. If you have a story you'd like us to investigate, email investigators@kvoa.com or call 955-4444. Investigating for you, Sam Salzuedo, News 4 Tucson.